Ooh, that's what we got. Let's open it. See what's right there.
Dum-da-da-dum.
He made me stage 3. Thank you so much, Boost Dynamic Tuning. I really appreciate that. KO4 is stage 3 emission of you owe me lol. EMA of stage 3 to step. Boost Dynamic Tuning. Thank you so much. Can't wait to install this.
Good morning, car. So beautiful waiting right here for me.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode to Car Garage. Today we're gonna go to the shop and we're gonna install the tune on this car. We got a stage 3 ECU. We're gonna be installing it together, bigger injectors, and see how this goes. Stay tuned for that. Some tests before installing the stage 3 ECU. Fourth gear. Gonna put third. Gonna see the maximum boost right now. We got 15 psi right now. See what we're gonna get on stage 3. Obviously with the Q4 turbo we have right here. It's pretty good, but we need a little bit more. Alright, so as you guys see, we are at the shop already. We got the car in. This is what we're gonna be installing. We got the stage 3 ECU, of course, from Boost Dynamic Tuning. Thank you so much. And we got the TT injectors, the 225 horsepower, which is from this engine. So we're gonna be removing the ECU from here, which is located. Gotta take out the wiper blades, take out this tray right here under a windshield, and then we're gonna have access right here to remove the stock ECU, and we're gonna be installing the other one. So let's go to work. We got the wiper blades removed. Now we gotta take this one out, but to be really careful to not damage it, and then you gotta buy another one. I already damaged mine one time. This is new, so first time I didn't know how to take it out. So it has some clips right here, one here, one here. First those clips out, and then you gotta remove this one carefully. Those are 2. This is it. Got it out. I'm gonna put this one on.
What we do here is go back. What we do here is go back.
All done. Just start up the car. Check it out. First startup. ESP off because I disconnected the battery. Seems like all is good. Just gotta go for a test drive. So we have the stage 3 ECU installed right now. It runs really good. Goes to 25 psi. Fourth gear. $5,000 RPM. So here is what's going on, guys. My first time out with the stage 3 was running 25 psi boost. I was going 4th gear maximum, and check engine start came on with the engine misfiring, and I heard something, so I stopped right here on the exit, as you guys can see on the side. When I look at the engine, there is oil, so my guess is that the engine blew up. As you can see on the bottom as well, it's coming from there. Well, this is the day that we upgraded the ECU in the car, and that's what happened. I don't know how to be happy or sad, but I have a smile on my face, so I'll keep you posted what I'm gonna do with it. But that's it. Now I'm waiting for my friend to come pick me up. We're gonna tow the car, and I'll keep you posted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for another one. I'll keep you posted what I'm gonna do with it. So peace.